Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Aries, we'll be picking few cards, guys. So, and I will also be picking card for your general guidance from the Crystal Spirits Oracle deck. So, this card is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys, Aries. So, let's start with the general energy. Before that, here is your oracle guidance. So, that is a general guidance, guys. We will turn these cards as we proceed, Aries. So, let's start with your general energy. So, it is heart, ship, and key. So, Aries, with these cards in your situation, maybe in your career or in your life, something is unfolding, something beautiful that is true to your heart, maybe true to your desires, something which you love, some passionate beginning is coming in your situation. And maybe for some of you, you have some inhibition towards some new path in your life, maybe, or for some of you, uh, this may be what to say, something you have to go out of the way to proceed on this path. So you have some worry, some stress, something is holding you back from moving into that new beginning in your life. But if you move forward, if you take up this new venture, all you're going to see is success today, guys, Aries. So something is holding you back today, maybe your fear or apprehensions. That is what I see. But whatever troubles or whatever stress you are feeling today, you are going to find that uh, whatever you need, maybe that missing link, that courage or that optimism or strength, whatever you need in your situation today. So you are going to get that to move forward in your life today, guys. That is the general energy with these card series. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is man. So, with this card in your situation, I see that you are a responsible person. You want to be very responsible in this love, in this connection with this person. So you are working towards that. You are working towards that meaningful connection with this person. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So maybe in this love, you are building that strong, meaningful bond in this love. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. It is mountain. So in your career, you are facing lot of obstacles, guys. Maybe something that needs great courage, strength, and determination to overcome. But the card here we got for your general energy, it is a very positive card. So in your situation, no matter what you are facing today, whatever difficulties, whatever it may be, you will have a positive push, something coming. Maybe it may be a person or a choice or circumstance. It will come and help you in a positive way. It will push you towards some positive change in your life, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what is your Crystal Spirits card. Watermelon Tourmaline, a beautiful card here. So with this card, the energy for y'all, guys, is that This card stands for that stimulation, inspiration in life, guys. So, regardless of what is happening around us, in our heart of hearts, we will feel that gratitude and happiness, feeling perfect every moment of the day. So, that is the card, that is the energy with this card. So, it just means that having that unconditional love towards the people in our life and towards our circumstance, and be without that expectation. So, all that is happening will happen with that positive, will unfold in a positive way, just like that unconditional love we have, guys. So, that is the reading, Aries, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.